Melanie, aka Contempairs. Welcome again to my YouTube channel. So, ngayon, I will be cleaning my vanity. Tignan yon, dumi sa sobrang busy ko. And I will be emptying my stock. So, tatanggalin ko na yung hindi ko na ginagamit. And, you know, I am promoting my own products, which is Limelife by Alcone, and I want to clear my space and give space for the products that I really love and I am using. So, eto na ang aking space. Ay, nalaglag. O, tingnan nyo, sa dami kong gamit, may nalaglag.
Mabuhay! Do you want to improve your style, get inspired, and be motivated in life? Consider joining my squad. All you have to do is subscribe for good vibes.
Ito yung area ko. Ito yung vanity. And then, ito yung aking YouTube area, and this is naman area for my paperworks for daycares, and those are my plants, and this area too. So every area has something to put on. So this area is my, of course, products that I like, my tiny aesthetic, you know, some of the aesthetic that I have. Yeah, eto na. Ready ko na kayo. Nahilo na ba kayo? I-face ko that way yung camera. Ayan. Ito yung area ko that I am gonna clean and emptying all the products that I don't really use. So this is my sunscreen. I need it. I will set it aside here. And this one, the ordinary, I didn't like this, and I already threw the what's inside. Actually, na-spill din ni Luna to eh. So, wala na siya halos laman. Okay, ito yung bottle. I will remove this and reuse this bottle. Or maybe kapag meron akong bibigyan na samples, I can use this, right? From drugstore. So, I use this still. Those. And this Mary Kay, it's too smelly. Yung masyado siyang maamoy. I don't like it, so I will be giving it away. I will be sending it to the Philippines and give it to my family. They might like it or use it. And these are my brush. I need to clean them with my Limelife Clean Act. So, yan sila. These are from Mary Ebony. I need those. I like them. And of course, I have my sanitizer here, my mascara. I have two of this that I need to clean. Ito, may ano pa ako, brush. Lalagay ko dito. Meron pa akong hand sanitizer. Ang dami kong sanitizer. So, eto na. Eto na ang i-empty ko. Ito yung mga foundation that I use na empty. So, ayan, ipapakita ko sa inyo. Like this one. Sephora. Wala nang laman. Naubos ko din to. I will be putting in recycle ba tong mga to? So, recycle. This, no, Revlon. MAC. I don't really like this. It's cakey. Yung buo-buo yung ano. Buo-buo. So, di ko gusto. And this one. Ay, ito. Ito naman, na ayos naman. Pero I really like the Limelife foundation, which is very, matipid. But, I had two of this, meaning it's good, the brand. So, I will still maybe use it sometimes. So, I'll be setting this away. Itong Vichy, nonsense. Nonsense. Yung parang hindi naman kailangan. Vichy Spray Mineral Thermal Water. Now, I'm gonna use it sometimes. So, this is my perfume. Cool water. But, I don't usually put perfume anymore because a lot of people here in Canada, they are allergic to scents. So sometimes, of course, if you want to be you want to worry about around you, you have to consider their if they are allergic to perfume. So sometimes I don't, or usually I don't put any perfume anymore. This is a new skin Insta Glow. I like this. If I want to look like I was tanning, you know, but I thought Limelife has a tinted tanning gel, so I will definitely try that in the summertime. But I still have this, so that's okay. And I have this primer. I'm gonna put this away. This is my brush instruction. So since this fit me, oh my god, it cost me breakout. And this one too, the Nip and Fab, I don't like this, so put it away. This one, Makeup Mix Rose Water and Green Tea Rose Setting Spray. I still like it. I'm still gonna use this. These little pieces, I will be sending it in the Philippines. And this naked one, I use this concealer, but I didn't really like it. It's very light on my skin color, so I will be putting that in recycle. If these are recycle, correct me if I'm wrong. If I'll put it in the garbage, I feel bad. So this milk, I think from Sephora too. This one, not bad. So it still has something. I will put this here. I need to clean this one. This one, I didn't like it, so I'll put them in the plastic bag. Oh my gosh, that's a lot. A lot of empty. And this one too. No. And this BYS, I will give it to my mom, I think. My mom. Or this one is for eyebrow. I think I still use that. For lips, I'll give it to my daughter. What is this? Blush. I can still use that. No. Mascara, no. Oh, MAC Red Lipstick. Okay. Not bad. What else? Ooh, this one. It is not bad, but I don't like smelly lipstick. Smells chemical. If you know what I mean. Smell lipstick. This one, oh, I love the smell. I love the taste. This is milk from Sephora as well. So I think I can still use that one. And oh, I have this Sephora shimmer, what is this, eyeshadow. Set this aside. I love Sephora too, but now that I have Limelife, and I am really loving the products there, I figured why not settle for one brand, right? But since I am a vlogger, there's nothing wrong in trying new things or trying brand. But now I will be very careful in trying products because my skin is getting better. So I will be checking the ingredients of the products, of how much chemical does it have, or I'd rather check for natural products. So yeah. And this is bronze color. I think I'll give it to my family back home other than throwing it, right? I have my petroleum. Losing my this Gush liner. Not really liking it. I didn't really enjoy using it because it's sparkly and but I will set it aside. I might get something out of it. This one too, I like this lip liner with color, with fancy glittery. This is gonna be out. So I have this organizer. Ayan. And I need to clean them. This is silicone. I didn't really like this, so I'll throw it away. And this, throw it away. Ang dami, grabe. I'll clean my brushes and throw this away. I have a magnetic mascara, but they're really hard to put on. They are magnetic. I still like to try them. Empties. This one empty. Ang dami, no? So, yeah, I will put this aside and I'll show you the before and after cleaning my vanity. Thank you for watching. Sana you get inspired to clean out your empties and start over with healthy skin and beauty products. This is exclusively limelife organizer that I'm gonna use, and this is gonna be for everything, the different brand. So cute lip gloss. I have this lip color. I think I have 3 of this or 2 maybe. I have the lip and during lip liner. And what else? This is my egg looking. I have a dirty one and then I have to clean that with this. After putting this limelife. This is the Wizard of Eyes. I give away my green and nude color to my mother-in-law. So I think I will remove this here now. And then I'll set it aside. These products that haven't used. Translucent, I can use them as a giveaway, so I'll put them here. And I have these colors there. And this is my foundation. Look at it. I've been using it since September. And look at this one. It's wax based, that's why it's very matipid. Ayan. Ito yung mga lilinisin kong brush. Be happy, be bright, be you. So, I put all the different brands here that I'm gonna use. And my brushes there and my limelife products. Yay! And that's it for, of course, from Mary Eboniferas. And these are all my limelife samples. So, thank you for watching! Right now, I am done cleaning my vanity, and these paperworks for my daycare I will be finishing them tomorrow. But look at my vanity. Yahoo! It's clean and empties are out, and the products that I don't use. Hopefully you get inspired and clean out your vanity or your skin and beauty products. So part 2, I will be cleaning and showing you my bathroom. I'm just gonna wait for the products for organizing it, and I'll show you around my bathroom and the products that I will not use. I have tons. So good luck to me. I'll see you again next time. I hope you give this a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for good vibes. I'll see you on my next video. Bye!